If you're thinking about using a Payday Advance app, it's important to know exactly what you're getting into before you make any decisions. This can help you avoid common mistakes and find the best solution for your financial needs. Let's break down the 12 things you absolutely need to know before buying. First off, Payday Advance apps can offer a quick fix for cash emergencies, but they aren't all created equal. Many apps come with high fees or interest rates that might surprise you. While some alternatives like traditional payday loans or even credit cards might seem easier, they often have hidden fees or more complex terms. It's worth comparing. Next thing, these apps usually give you access to your paycheck earlier than expected, but that comes at a cost. Some apps charge a flat fee per transaction or a percentage of your advance. Compare this to competitors, and you might find more transparent pricing options that suit your needs better. The third thing you should consider is eligibility. Payday Advance apps often require certain conditions, like a regular income, a bank account, and sometimes a minimum balance. Some apps may have more flexible requirements than others, so it's worth checking which one works best for your situation. The fourth thing is how these apps handle repayment. Most require repayment on your next payday, but there are differences in the flexibility. Some apps will let you spread payments over a longer period if needed, which can provide some breathing room, but others can be rigid. Next, you'll want to be aware of any late fees or penalties if you don't repay on time. Some Payday Advance apps hit you with hefty fines for missed payments, while others may offer a more forgiving grace period. Look for apps that don't punish you too harshly for small mistakes. The sixth thing is about the security of your personal information. Many Payday Advance apps require you to link your bank account for easy deposits and repayments. It's crucial to choose an app that uses secure, encrypted systems to protect your data. Some apps might not take security seriously, putting your information at risk. The seventh thing is that you should keep an eye on user reviews. While some apps come highly recommended, others might have complaints about hidden fees or poor customer service. Always check for transparency and consider looking for an app with good customer support. Next up, consider whether the app offers any additional features like budgeting tools or financial education. Some Payday Advance apps are pretty basic, while others come with tools to help you better manage your money long term. If you're looking for more than just quick cash, make sure the app you choose has extra features that can help you in the future. The ninth thing you need to know is how the app handles borrowing limits. Some Payday Advance apps cap your borrowing amount very low, while others allow you to access more as you build trust with them. If you're someone who needs to borrow more frequently, find an app that offers a higher limit with reasonable terms. The 10th thing is how quickly you can get your money. Most Payday Advance apps advertise fast transfers, but the reality can be different. Depending on your bank and the app, it could take several days to process. Make sure to check the transfer speeds before committing. 11th, look at how the app handles the user interface. A good Payday Advance app should have an intuitive, easy-to-navigate design. If you're someone who needs to move fast during a cash emergency, a complicated app could waste your time. Lastly, consider your long-term goals. If you're only using a Payday Advance app as a quick fix, that's fine. But if you're looking for a sustainable financial solution, there may be better options out there. For ongoing needs, apps that offer savings tools or investments could be a smarter choice. To wrap up, Payday Advance apps can be a good option in a pinch, but they aren't always the best financial tool. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with better terms, consider checking out our recommended app that you can try for free.